On that note, for that mutton pulav. That pulav is nice and warm. That rice has a bit of unt in that. So in this there's 2 pieces of meat again, and this looks like the sort that has plenty to chew on around the bone. You can also see some of the spices that have gone into it. Is that the Marat Mogu? I love the flavor of the fenugreek that I'm tasting in that pulav. Very, very flavorful. Also tasting that residual sweetness that lingers from the warmth of the hard spices. But this is delicious. In fact, just this rice by itself has so much flavor. Supremely delicious. That's a pulav that I can't fault. It's got that nice hit of the warmth that comes from the chilies or the peppers, and then that delicious warming notes of the spices laced with a bit of the sweetness. I quite enjoyed the mutton saru, the fry too, although it was spicy, but this pulav is certainly the ace in this mutton thali pack. You want to make sure that you get at every bit of the meat that's holding on to the bone, that's trapped in every crevice. Supremely delicious pulav. Excellent. Even out here the meat is cooked to the texture where it readily parts from the bone. I love that juicy pink of the meat. This is supreme. Actually, if you also just fancy a mutton pulav and don't want to go through this delicious detour of all the dishes that you find in the mutton thali, well, you can also dive straight into that mutton pulav. Oh, rasam and rice. Fantastic. Well, you also get some majjige, some light rasam and some steamed rice if you're not stuffed enough with everything that you've tasted thus far. As for me, well, I still have some more of that pulav. I think I just drink the rasam as a digestive, but when it comes to rice, I think this pulav trumps that steamed rice any day. I'm also digging into some of the egg because I want to save that meat for that last bite with the pulav. And I guess that's where you are grateful for this half a mote that comes along with the pulav, because it just stretches your protein enjoyment that wee bit more. And now for that last bit of the meat that I've saved for the very end. This has been supremely enjoyable. I knew I was going to enjoy the mutton thali, but that mutton pulav, ace of a pulav, superb.